forearm looks like this. You're going to make a cut around that tensor fascia antebrachiae, around that superficial pectoralis and the cleidobrachialis, and reflect it back. Okay? You guys see that? And reflect it back. And mine is starting to dry out. I need to moisten this. But if you look at the book, you collectively have a group of nerves. Nerves are white. And this is called the brachial plexus. Plexus is a combination or collection of something. Brachial refers to arm. So the brachial plexus. It consists of a collection of nerves. The longest nerve and the one that's the most caudal and goes from the brachial plexus down towards the olecranon of the elbow is called the ulnar nerve. Okay, and it should help you. It's going to the elbow area to attach to the olecranon ulnar nerve. The longest nerve in the arm is the thickest one, and that's going to be the one that looks kind of strange. You think, gosh, that can't be the longest nerve because it looks like very small, very thick, but if I turn the cat over, it comes out the other side. This is the radial nerve. Okay, going to which bone area? The radius, right? Ulnar nerve, radial nerve. Okay? In between the two is another nerve, and that's called the median nerve. So median exists between the ulnar and radial. And then the tiny nerve that's the most cranial here is called the musculocutaneous nerve. So brachial plexus, musculocutaneous, median, radial, which we can see from both sides here, ulnar. Okay? Covered by those superficial forearm muscles, or superficial antebrachial muscles. Are you good about that one? Okay. Next one you need to find is down here in the medial aspects of the hind limb. You can see the vessels. The nerve is right next to it, and you kind of want to pull it. Mine ripped. Yours should be attached. Kind of pull it up so you can separate it out from the vessels. Which nerve do you think that is? What bone is right here? Femur, so it's the femoral nerve. Okay. No dissection needed, right? Just to be able to expose it. The last one, you need your the sheet I passed out to you. So if you turn it over, you have the large nerve under the biceps femoris, which we didn't identify last week, but we are today, and that's the sciatic nerve. And then branching from the sciatic nerve, you can see in the diagram at the top, it's coming over a big muscle here, which is what we learned, the gastrocnemius. There's going to be some fat in here, but if you take some tweezers and get up underneath it, you see that that nerve is branching. Here's the sciatic nerve going deep. Here's the branch, and it's called the common peroneal nerve. You guys see that? Common peroneal nerve, sciatic nerve. Just remove some of the fat and fascia, it's already there. Femoral nerve, brachial plexus. The only dissection you really have to do is move the muscles back. There'll be some fat in here and fascia, you just got to move it out of the way. Ulnar, median, radial, musculocutaneous. Super easy.
How about the axillary?
Oh, you can try and cross it off. We're going to look at it in a later date.